Welcome, I'm filming the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and today I'll show you how to enable and use the screen recording function. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle somewhere on one of the pages, which looks like it's on the second page right here. So before you tap on it, hold the option, and it looks like we don't really have much. There we go. So in the settings we can find some. So you have the resolution, and it looks like by default it's set already fairly decently. So you have 2400 by 1080. I would advise on keeping it as it is right now. If you're really struggling with space, you could drop it to 720p, but I would discourage you, and anything below that is just complete and utter garbage, so completely don't advise on going for that. Then you have video quality. 16 megabytes per second is good, best you can get here. Again, if you really want to save on space, you could drop it maybe to 6 at the lowest, I would say. I think anything below that might start looking a little bit weird. Then you have orientation. Keep it at auto unless you have I don't know, some real need to set it to a specific orientation. In this case, if you're holding the phone in your hand like so in a landscape mode, the device will know that you're holding a landscape and switch the video orientation to that. So it's not being recorded, for instance, sideways in a way. Then let's just cancel that. Then we have sound source. So there's a couple options in here. So we have system sounds, mute, or mic. Now, unfortunately, there's no both. So if, for instance, you want to use mic and system sounds, kind of weird in my opinion. So you have to choose between one or the other. Mic will just record you if you want to talk, and sound system will record whatever is playing on your device. So that'd be music, or some kind of, for instance, sounds from the game. Anything that your noise that the device is making will be then recorded. I'm gonna keep it at system sounds, and then fixed frame rate and frame rate. Let's see if we can go better. So the best we can get is 30 frames. Unfortunately, we prefer to see 60, but I guess we can't really get it here. And keep the fixed frame rate on. You have lock screen to end. You can keep that on, so when you're done and you press the power key to lock the device, it will also finish the recording. And then you have also show touch gestures, so whenever you press the screen, it will record where you're touching the screen, and it will be visible on the video as a circle that is basically moving around. Visual navigation buttons, go back to screen recording. So I have a couple options, you can read if you want them or not. But basically the most important part would be frame rates and resolutions and stuff like that. So once that's set up, you can leave this place and go back to the notification panel and simply tap on the toggle right here and get denied because the battery is too low. Let me see if when I plug it in, it will resolve the problem. And it looked like it did, so you can see it right here. Actually, I think it was recording already. So whatever I will do now will be recorded. And once you're done, you can just simply tap on this, tap on the red square, and it gets saved. So you quickly set it up. Let's close this. And the video that I have captured now can be found in your photo gallery. So let's open that up, go to albums, and we should have it, I guess, on the camera? Nope. Not really sure where it's being saved. It's interesting. Let me try that again, because I can't seem to figure out where it's being saved at. So right now it's supposedly recording. Close it. So it's right here. I'm not really sure. Probably it's gonna be easier to find it in the File Explorer rather than Gallery, because for some reason Gallery is wonky and doesn't want to show it. See that again just to be certain. Oh, there it is actually. Now it saved it. Not sure why it didn't before, but you can see it. It's now in your gallery. And also, I believe it's going to be in an album. It's going to create an album probably. Yep, there we go, videos. So that is how you would capture video on your device, screen record. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.